Yeah, it's a good news today concerning what I'm about to say. But before I say that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if today is your first time of seeing this face on YouTube, I want to say you're welcome. Thank you for just stopping by. What I'm saying today is that I'm bringing an immigration consultant with over 6 years of experience with Canada immigration to talk to you on available immigration pathways to Canada. She's going to talk about visitor to work pathway. She's going to talk about the permanent residency pathway. She's going to talk about the getting a job from your country to Canada pathway. She's going to also talk about the training of the PCA trainings, that's personal care attendant training to Canada. She's going to talk about all these pathways for you to come to Canada. Interesting thing is that she was once an international person. She's actually a Chinese. So if you're a Chinese person following me, this is an opportunity for you to talk to one of your own. If you're an African following me, this is an opportunity to talk to somebody that has an international experience, that has gone through similar challenges of how do I navigate, what do I do? And she is coming live and direct on my channel on the 16th of December. Boo, 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 boo. Make sure you are live and direct on the 16th of December. I'm going to announce the time. Why I'm putting this out now is so that you can actually share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, so that on that day you will not be caught unaware. Come and hear it by yourself. You know, it wasn't easy to get her because one of the universities in Canada is using her for their immigration processes for their students. So this is the caliber of person I am bringing, someone that has wealth of experience dealing with both international students and otherwise dealing with different countries of the world. You can see her wealth of experience. Oh yes. This is the person you're going to be talking to. You're going to be having live section with her. The thing is this: come with your question, come with your challenges, come with what you want to. Your questions will be answered. And you know the sweetest part? You can actually contact her by the time we're done with the live session for whatever you want. But understand that immigration consultation is not free. So have that at the back of your mind. But then be here to ask your questions and get your answers on the 16th of December. Make it a date. 16th of December. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. See you on the 16th of December. I will put out the time. Just watch out for the time on my channel. But then, if you have not subscribed, please, this is an opportunity for you to subscribe so that once I make a video or make any post, you get it. Blink, 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 so that you know what I'm saying, so that you don't miss out on any of the things I have to put out on my channel. Remains Dr. Chigozie. This is me talking to you. My name is Dr. Chigozie. Bye.